The innovation in Janome sewing machines does not happen by chance. It is painstakingly created here, at the world's first research center for sewing machines. Every day, highly experienced designers assess the sewing needs of the entire range of Janome customers, from the brand new sewist to the highly skilled expert embroiderer. Working as a team, they look for ways to improve the performance and durability of existing Janome machines. And in some of their most important work, they create new designs for machines that will allow customers more creative freedom than ever before. It's the responsibility of the engineers at the Research Center to test these new designs, to assess which materials will give the best performance, using some of the most high-precision analysis technology in the industry. A lot goes into making Janome quality the best in the industry. But nothing is possible without our loyal team of employees. The commitment of a skilled team is what drives both quality and innovation. Strong employee loyalty and a fierce pride of craftsmanship has led to enviable retention rates. Janome has extremely low employee turnover, which means our experience in sewing machine production in general, and the Janome way in particular, is top tier. Few companies can boast of a workforce with so many years devoted to a single product. Once a finished prototype has been thoroughly tested, Janome begins production at one of its 3 factories. The most advanced computerized models are produced here at the Janome Tokyo factory. It's one of 3 state-of-the-art Janome factories which have been producing machines for over 30 years. Continually retooled to stay on the forefront of technology, these factories have been on the cutting edge of sewing machine production for decades. State-of-the-art machining robots, guided by 3-dimensional computer models, carve components out of aluminum and steel. Any outside vendor whose products are used in production is subjected to rigorous testing. Only those who meet Janome's exacting specifications and quality requirements are accepted. These outstanding vendors then become a part of the Janome product family. Many have been working with the company for decades. The parts which require paint are taken through that process by high-precision robots, so the coating is perfectly even. A single sewing machine requires thousands of separate parts for assembly. These are stored in an automated warehouse until the component is needed for assembly. Each machine is carefully completed by hand. The craftsmen and women who assemble them ensure each part meets tolerance specifications for a long life of trouble-free sewing. Finally, every finished machine is carefully inspected by a quality control expert. This rigorous process allows Janome to cover each machine with an extensive warranty. Because of this careful process, no machine is rushed to market before it can be thoroughly tested for quality, and to make sure each new feature will be truly useful to the customers in their sewing rooms. Janome makes every machine we sell. Most of our competitors cannot make this claim. Now, Janome designers and engineers are proud to introduce a machine they've been working on for years. A new machine that has set a new standard for precision, advanced features, and ease of use. It's with great pride that we offer it to customers worldwide.